This one are Street Yarns from Wazobia TV. Make you not touch there. My name is MC Shaggy. The question when I get today now, if you be God for 1 week, what you go do? What you go do? If you be God for 1 week, what you go do? Now like this, we don't enter street, make we hear so many opinions from different people. What did they go do? If not me, I go clear the earth. I'll clear and then create another new people. Because the earth is polluted. The air don't pollute finish. So of the matter, make we enter street. We hear from different people. Oh shit, feel it. My brother, if you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
If I be God for 1 week, I don't hammer now.
You don't hammer.
All for you.
Never hammer, brother.
I don't hammer.
If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
If you are a God, you have to be. You see, God don't have anybody. He don't have family. Yes. God don't born.
Yes.
Because if God have son and children, there will be problem for God. That's why God don't have anybody. God
Still on the matter. Oh shit. Feel it. Street Yarns. All out. Oh boy, the guy don't the guy don't share, man. Still on the matter. I'm going to enter the street, y'all. Madam, Alpha, how you did that? Come to the shit. Hey, Alpha, Muna Kuda. Now just simple question. No, we are always in a hurry. See, Muna, just one question. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
I don't feel answer that question.
No, if you answer that question. It's assuming God give you chance to be God for 1 week, what you go do?
I beg.
This guy the best. I bet my use of a lyrics, I beg. This guy the best. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
I destroy and create another one when I go feel you. This one don't corrupt.
This one don't corrupt.
I swear.
You don't rock.
No repair, beyond repair.
Beyond repair. Oh my, wow. Thank God. God not be man. Oh. If God the man, I for don't die you. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do? So many people don't be answer that question. Maybe like say the question too big past their head. Oh shit, let's still on the street matter. Woo! Okay, father. Still on the matter, I swear today there. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do to this earth?
I'll do wonders. Because there are some wicked people
A lot of
all
wicked.
over Nigeria, all over the world.
Especially
So if I am God now, I'll destroy the world and put another one.
you put another
Yeah.
one, confirmato. Anyhow now, still on the matter, straight hands. Mama, good afternoon. No, just small question to answer. No, relax. Question. Mama, if you come now, if you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
You say,
If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
if I be God
For 1 week.
for 1 week, if I be God for 1 week, what I go do? I go bless everybody.
Go bless everybody. Hey, as a mother, you go bless everybody. Make sure everybody dey okay. Everybody wey not get money go give them money. Everybody wey not get wife go give them wife. And you go pieces all of them. Allah. So no matter. I just one question I want to ask. Just one question. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
Ask first.
What you go do? You see, I tell you, say everybody they also for this country, there are many, even their fandom self they also. You see them, all of them. They don't fit talk, their fandom. If you be God for 1 week, I see you still on the Street Yarns from Wazobia TV. Oh shit! If you be God for 1 week, what till you go do? How you go take tidy the earth? Yes, sir. How far now?
I did.
Just one question I want to ask you.
Very good.
God,
Yeah.
for 1 week, what you go do?
If I be gone for 1 week, I go take care of my family, oh, bros. And I will take care of you too. My people go close to me. I need to be thing. And the money sef, you go dey my side too. My brother.
You see Nigerians, they stay, some people they very selfish. Oh. If you be God for 1 week,
Hey.
1 week if you be God, what you go do?
All my family and everybody, we are pumping always.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your family.
Yes, and everybody in short, everybody, including you.
So now what you go just do be that?
Any one person, one car, any one person, one car, and one house.
I pray make this country better. You see where the selfishness is start. Even the individual self get selfishness. I know you are going somewhere. I can be running with you. Just one question.
I won't talk.
One question.
I won't talk.
One question. Oh shit! If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
Go for 1 week.
Yeah.
First of all, I will bless everybody
You bless everybody.
who not rich go rich. Then mostly those people that are sick. I will heal everybody so that everybody will be sound and healthy.
Go kill Ebola self.
I say sickness. No matter when man says sickness, anything man says sickness, I make sure say I heal everything.
Oh boy, the year up. He's saying go kill everything. They will kill anything killable.
What you go do? I know how you go do now.
What of you?
Me and the same now.
What you talk when you know say you this thing at the same? What you talk when you know say at the same? What you go do? What you they say at the same? All of na the same at the same. They ain't not talk anything. Now working for you with that. Another way with that. Yeah.
If I be God for 1 week, I go make this. I'll make everywhere this peaceful. First of all,
Everywhere they peaceful.
yeah.
But everywhere not they peaceful.
Thank you.
So apart from that, we show that
I go make everybody enjoy.
it will make everybody enjoy.
Yes.
After enjoyment, no other thing again.
What's that thing?
The way the Nigeria be now, what you go do?
That is the peaceful. What I say I go first do first time after
Like
the
which
first.
way you want to make them peaceful?
No more Boko Haram. First of all,
Yeah.
no more killing.
No more killing.
Yeah.
No
And no
doubt.
more corruption.
No more corruption.
Yeah. No more stealing money from the government.
Abi.
But as a God, I will make sure say all those things no go dey. I go remove inside from human being. Are you getting me now? I will take it from you. No think about corruption, killing, bombing and anything. Are you getting me now? That's all.
getting you.
That's why we good.
Allah.
O ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ọ̀gá jẹ́ kẹ́mi gbowó kó tó lọ.
Wait, ṣé ọmọ lílẹ̀ ni ẹ?
Owó owó ọmọ nílẹ̀ kan.
Tax collector.
Corruption tí mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ gbà nìyẹn kí ló ń ṣe.
Corruption.
Now I wan take it from
Corruption.
it's still there.
Receive the anointing. Receive the. You dey see me? May they vex. May they vex. They no dey happy. They no dey happy at all.
Okay, what I go do for 1 week, I will bring out Christian and Muslims together.
Christian and Muslims
Together. That's the problem we have in this world. We make sure that we solve the problem of Muslims and Christians. Once they're able to have one mind, the problem in this country will be solved. The problem of the whole world will be solved.
So that now only way to go feed the
Yeah, it's just Muslims and Christians unite. Once they unite, no more fight.
The guy made point to unity. When there's unity, there will be peace. No more bombing. No more Boza! Still on the streets and this one was Zobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Make you not touch the die.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.